Okay guys, this is for the second day of Christmas, 8:07 a.m. Eastern. We are live. And time at 8:07 a.m. Eastern. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. First random, second random, 8:07 a.m. Eastern. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Reed Nagata, you won the second day of Christmas. Time 8:08 a.m. Eastern. Gone 3 times. Done. Congratulations, Reed. I have your address. I'll send it out. They go out after Christmas, everybody. Time 8:08 a.m. Eastern. Thanks a lot, guys. And day 3 is already up. Here we go again. What is with screencast? Sorry, guys. Might have to let this run out 15 minutes again, guys. I don't know why it always does that. Sometimes the icon disappears and I don't know why. Okay, guys, I'm just going to let it run out for the 15 minutes. It's not coming back. It's being a pain. Let's see if it does that. No. Yeah, for some reason. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. It says it's open, but it's not. Yeah, it just goes back to here. Alright, I'm going to let it run for the 15 minutes, guys. Sorry about that.